Hi bestie, I think we have known each other, so let's skip the formality. But if this is your first time seeing me, welcome to the zone. My name is B Girl. Today we're going to be talking about some of the things that is making your hair to not grow. Let's just start from the simple ones that anyone can change. Now I have here with me 2 combs. So this is the first comb I was always using to comb my hair. My hair is actually long, not so long like other people, but my hair is long. Okay, so yeah, this is the comb I was using and my hair is a little bit full, and I was always telling myself that my hair is beginning to cut off. I did not know that it is because of the teeth of the comb, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's the name, but yeah, this is smaller than this. All right, so this here is smaller than this, and to cut a story short, this is better and it is easier to comb with these. Another thing is that these combs might get rough from time to time, and when your comb get rough, right, let me use this one. When your comb get rough, this is not rough, I've been really careful with this. If it has scratches, yeah, by the side, so as you're using it to comb your hair, it is going to cut your hair, right? Now those scratches are going to hold it from combing your hair. You are using so much gel on your hair every time. This is why I'm not really a fan of knotless braid. I'd rather prefer to just make my hair like that without using gel, because I'm really conscious of hair breakage, right? I cannot afford for my hair to break. I hate it when people use it continuously. This hair I made by myself. Unfortunately, there was no chance to make a video because I started at night to make it. I used gel, and for a long time I have not used gel. For at least 6 months I have not used gel on my hair. Using gel on your hair frequently can cause hair breakage, which is going to make your hair not grow properly. It's not going to retain the length that you have accumulated over the years. Another thing is hair dye. All right, so a lot of people like to dye their hair. It's beautiful, it's really beautiful, but I think that if you are on a journey to retain hair length, then you should not put dyes on your hair. You might be hearing some noise from the background. I have a neighbor's son that is on my neck, is on my case. You do not know your hair. So my hair type is the medium porosity. It's not really so high. So that is one thing we need to do to learn how to understand your hair, what works for your hair or not. So if you have really dry hair, you really need to add oils, like know how to balance between oil, water and leave-in conditioners. Okay, you are not consistent in your hair care routine. Not everyone has hair care routine. I do not really have hair care routine. Whatever I see, I do it, but these days I kind of like take care of my hair. I do not pre-poo, which is something I want to start soon. Wash my hair in bits. I add my deep conditioner. After using my deep conditioner, I wrap my hair and I make sure the moisture is retained in it, and when I do that, it stays for a while, for like 30 minutes to 40 minutes before I wash it off. After washing off the deep conditioner from my hair, I immediately use my leave-in conditioner, and I do not have it here. I don't know why I don't have it here, but yeah, I use Mega Growth leave-in conditioner for my hair, and I use my Hair Wonder hair cream. My Hair Wonder hair cream is made with natural ingredients, and then I've seen some kind of not so natural ingredients, but yeah, that is what my Hair Wonder is made with. I make sure I braid my hair at the moment, not like I braid so much, maybe just make it into twists, so that in case I'm not chanced, I can actually comb it out later without having to stress myself. I do not jump on every challenge I see on the internet, like using tapes on my hair to tape in. What do you guys call it? Tape in. I feel like I do not have a sellotape here. If you use a sellotape on your hair and then you tape in your hair, you hold it with the sellotape. When you're taking out the sellotape, right, your hair is coming out. Do you understand? Your hair is coming out. Even rubber bands, except for rubber bands, you can oil it. Nothing is going to happen to your hair if you're careful. But the tapes, the sellotapes, the white ones, if you're pulling out the sellotape, your hair is coming out too, right? So I'm going to be doing hair growth challenge. What we need for this hair growth challenge is your hair journal, like a little book that you can use and measure the length of your hair, maybe weekly or twice in a week or monthly. Yeah, so it's going to be a hair journal. You're going to have a tape. It's just something I'm going to start, and I really hope if you watch this video to the end, let's see if you know that you're going to start this with me. Let us connect on Instagram. But if you're watching this and you really know you want to start this hair growth challenge, just get your hair journal, your pen, your tape, so that you can be measuring your hair. Let's say last week it was here, and then you measure the growth if you have followed the procedures and the routines properly. All right, so this is where I'm going to be saying bye bye, see you next time, and I'm sorry for all the noise you've been listening to. I'm not in a sane environment. Okay, bye.